so hopeful, so we barely understood. Now we are not afraid, although we know there's much to do. We were moving mountains long before we knew we could. Now there can be miracles when you believe. Though hope is free, it's hard to breathe. Who knows what miracle you can achieve when you believe? Somehow you will. He will when you believe. Kak Dewi Marpawi. In this time of fear, when prayers are often losing faith, hope seems like a song of earth with nothing understand. And now I'm standing here, and now my heart is full of dreams, seeking faith and believing words I never thought I'd make. Can be miracles when you believe. Though hope is frail, it's hard to tell. Knows what miracles you can achieve when you believe. Somehow you will. You will when you believe. They don't always happen when you ask, and it's easy to give in to your fears. But when you're blinded by your faith and see the way through the rain, small but still voice says love is very near. Miracles, oh, hope is forever. It's hard to believe. Who knows what miracle you can achieve when you believe? Somehow you will. Somehow you will. You will when you believe. Oh, you will when you
Olivia Pardede,
Olivia Dewi Marpawi.
luar biasa ya.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih Mawiyati.
Luar biasa.